let's go over how to make the maple leaf. So I've made 3. I think I've got it figured out. It was definitely confusing to watch the video in UK terms because it is a bit of a confusing pattern anyway, but it's beautiful once you've got it figured out. I have got to have the pattern in front of me to do this one, to try to follow along. So I'll work it up for you using US terms, and then you don't have to decipher the video like I just did. Okay, first it says we're going to make 9 chains. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch. Then 1 single crochet into the next chain, 1 half double crochet into the next chain, double crochet into the next chain, then we'll do 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 chains. So that's 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet, 1 single crochet into the next chain, and then it tells us to slip stitch here into this last chain. Slip stitch right there. All right, first part done. Now, instead of turning our work like we normally would, we're actually going to just rotate and work back down alongside the other side of the chain. So as I was going into the chain, I was making sure to only go through 1 loop because we're going to use the other loop on this other side, okay? So I'm going to chain 1 and just rotate my work around to go back down the other side of this chain now. So this first one is really hard to see. It's tiny because it's pulled so tightly. But just work your hook into that first chain, and it says to slip stitch into this first one. Then next chain right here. Again, it's a little hard to see, but we'll do 1 single crochet to the next chain, 1 half double crochet into the next chain, another 1 half double crochet into the next chain, and a double crochet, and then a half double crochet, single crochet, and then we slip stitch into the last one here. Okay, should look something like this now. All right, and it does tell us to turn. So we're going to turn now, just like a normal crochet project. We're going to work back alongside the stitches you just made. So we're going to chain 1, 1 single crochet into this first stitch right here. No, I'm sorry, it says slip stitch into the first stitch. Ooh, try again. Slip stitch into this first stitch. Then we do 1 single crochet, and we do 1 half double crochet. Okay, now is the new kind of weird thing you maybe have never done before. We're going to do 1 double crochet foundation stitch into the same stitch. So where I just did the half double crochet, you have to make a double crochet, and at the same time you're creating a chain so that you can create the next part of the leaf. So a lot of times people will start projects this way rather than doing chains. They'll do foundation chains, and it does the stitch and the chain at the same time. That's basically what we're doing here. Okay, so because it's a foundation double crochet, 1 double crochet foundation, so where you just went, we're going to yarn over into that same stitch with the half double crochet, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1. There's your little chain. Okay, and now complete your double crochet like you normally would. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, you made a foundation double crochet now. Now we'll do 1 half double crochet foundation stitch into the previous foundation. Okay, so it's easier than it sounds. Yarn over. See this big stitch right here you made? That first really big stitch? We're going to go into that. Insert this double crochet stitch you made, foundation double crochet, pull up a loop, Same thing, we have to chain one. So yarn over, just pull through one. Now complete your half double crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through all three. I'm going to do it one more time. So now we're going to do a single crochet foundation stitch into our previous foundation. So to do a single crochet, we don't yarn over. But now we're going into this next stitch right here. So that was our first one. It's our second one we just made. Going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. We have to make a chain because it's a foundation. So yarn over, pull through one. Now complete your single crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through two. Okay, now we're going to chain two, one and two. At this point, it does tell us to turn. Slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. So you just made two chains so that you can make a little point for the end of your leaf. So just slip stitch back into that chain you just made. Now, working in those stitches that we just finished making, okay, the foundation stitches, we should line up so that you can do one single crochet, then we'll do a half double crochet, and we will do one double crochet, then another half double crochet, then a single crochet. You should have one stitch left, and it looks kind of funky to me always. It's this one that sticks out right here. And we're going to slip stitch into this last stitch. Boom, boom. And then it tells us to turn. So we're going to turn like this. All right, now we're moving on to the third point. Chain one. Slip stitch into this first stitch. Where I got messed up is if I messed up and I had to go backwards, I had to almost start all over because I couldn't figure out where it was on the pattern. So I hope you can follow along. One single crochet into the next stitch, one half double crochet into the next stitch, one, move this up. Now we're doing a foundation stitch again. So where we just put this half double crochet, we're doing one single crochet foundation stitch into the same. So remember to do that, inserting in the same stitch you just went in, pull up a loop, yarn over, just pull through one because it's like you're making a chain. Yarn over, now complete your single crochet as you would normally would. Then you're going to chain one, chain two, and turn your work. And then just slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. And again, you're just making the point on that leaf. Okay, now we're going back into those stitches that you just made, and you're going to do a single crochet. My chains look funny. I'm going to actually undo mine. This was two. Okay. Turn, chain one, chain two. All right. Slip stitch those two chains together. Maybe. Now we work back into the stitches that you just made. This looks more correct now. We're going to do one single crochet in that first stitch, one half double crochet to the next stitch, a single crochet into the next stitch, and then you should have one stitch left. It's kind of hard to see. One more stitch left. It's hard to see. It's right here. Can you see that? One stitch left. And we're going to slip stitch into it. I kept missing that one when I was doing this the first time. All right, so slip stitch into the last stitch. Okay, now we have to get back across to this side to work on the other leaf points. So in order to do that, we're just going to slip stitch across the bottom of this. So if you look, you have kind of two good places where you can do that. We have this little loop right here, and this one's more obvious right here. I'm just going to slip stitch my way over once, and then I do it one more time, slip stitch here, and then that brings us back to this side of the leaf over here. And then we're ready to do the fourth point here. So gonna locate that first stitch again, kind of hard to see. Here it is right here. We're gonna slip stitch back into this first stitch. So you did 2 slip stitches to kind of get you over here. Now you're going into the stitch, okay? Yarn over, pull through a slip stitch. Okay, now we're going to do a single crochet into the next stitch along. 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, and now let me move this so I can make sure you can see. I don't know if you want this on the screen or not. I don't know if that's helpful. Move this for a second. We're going to do the same thing we did earlier. So you had the half double crochet in that stitch. Now you have to do the double crochet foundation stitch. Okay, so yarn over, back into that stitch we were just in, pull up a loop, and you make a chain. So you're going to yarn over, chain 1. Now complete your double crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, then we do 1 half double crochet foundation stitch. So yarn over, going to go into that first big stitch that you created right there. Yarn over, pulls up a loop. We need to chain 1, then yarn over and pull through all 3, complete your half double crochet as normal. Then it's 1 single crochet foundation stitch. So now that was our first one. Here's our second one, and it's a single crochet. So we just will insert our hook, pull up a loop. It's a foundation stitch, so we have to yarn over and chain 1. Now complete single crochet as normal. Yarn over, pull through 2. Then we're going to chain 1, chain 2, and we turn our work this way. And once again, you made 2 chains just to slip stitch them together so you could have a nice point at the end of your leaf. And over and slip stitch those through themselves basically. Now we're up on the side of the pattern, not the oak leaf yet. Okay, so working into these stitches that we just made with our foundation chains, we're going to go into, this is our first single crochet here, then a half double crochet, then we'll do a double crochet, then we'll do a half double crochet again, then we'll do a single crochet, and you should have 1 stitch left hidden in there. It's tiny and hidden that you'll slip stitch into. All right, keep going. Oh, chain 1, turn, okay, slip stitch into your first stitch right here. Slip stitch there. 1 single crochet into the next stitch. 1 half double crochet into the next stitch. Now, in this same stitch, now we're going to do the single crochet foundation chain again. So we insert, pull up a loop, chain 1. Now complete your single crochet. Okay, then you chain 1, chain 2. We're going to turn our work this way, and you're going to slip stitch those chains together so you have a point on your leaf. Now working on these stitches we just made, we're going to do 1 single crochet, a half double crochet in the next, then another single crochet, and you should have 1 stitch left there that you're going to slip stitch into. Pull through both of these. Okay, now we are going to need to get back to this center. You can see there's a hole right there. See that center? I'm going to go straight into that center and slip stitch. So now I'm in the middle of the work. and we're going to do 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're creating the stem of the leaf now. We're going to slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Slip stitch. We're going to do that again 3 more times, all the way up. And then we're going to slip stitch back into that center of the leaf where we had started. Kind of connect it all like that. And then we need to cast off, but remember before you cut to leave a good length of yarn so that you can attach this to the work later. And then I just been pulling it all through. Give that a little tug now. Turn it over. And there you have your maple leaf. I hope this video helps. I found this one very confusing. I think by this 4th one, I'm kind of doing it. I still need to make 4 more in the clementine color. So I'll keep doing these, and then once I figure out the oak leaf and the acorn, I'll show you how to do those too. Good luck, have fun.